Ugh. What am I doing with my life? I wish I had something to freshen up my day. Ew, is that my breath? I wonder what life would be like if I had used Minty Fresh. This car is pretty fresh. But almost there. Whoa! Now this car is minty fresh.
I came up in here to rock, light a fire, make it hot. I don't wanna take no pictures, I just wanna take some shots. So come on, let's go. Let's lose control. Let's do it all night till we can't do it no more.
Oh wow, did you see that car?
Yeah. Did you smell her breath?
Warning, side effects may contain dizziness, nausea, heartbreak, crying, death, and possibly everything else.